Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in sustainable living. Today I'm breaking down solar energy and why it's becoming a game changer for homeowners and businesses alike. We'll explore how it works, its benefits, and debunk some common myths surrounding it, so let's get right into it. First off, what is solar energy? Solar energy is power harnessed from the sun's rays. It's a clean, renewable source of energy that can significantly reduce your electricity bills and carbon footprint. By installing solar panels, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a greener planet. Cool, right? Now, how do these magical solar panels work? Solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells. When sunlight hits these cells, it knocks electrons loose, creating a flow of electricity. This flow of electricity is then converted into usable electric power for your home. Essentially, solar panels convert sunlight into usable electric power for your home. Simple and efficient. But hold up, there are quite a few myths floating around about solar energy. Let's bust some of them. Myth number one, solar panels don't work on cloudy days. Fact, they do. While they're more efficient in direct sunlight, solar panels can still generate electricity, even when it's cloudy. So don't let a few clouds deter you from going solar. Myth number two, solar panels are too expensive. Fact, there are many incentives and financing options available. Many governments offer tax credits, rebates, and other incentives to make solar more affordable. Plus, they pay for themselves over time with the savings on your electricity bill. And lastly, myth number three, solar panels require a lot of maintenance. In fact, they're actually pretty low maintenance. Usually you just need to clean them a couple of times a year and have them inspected periodically. So are you thinking about going solar? It's a fantastic way to reduce your carbon footprint and save money in the long run. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be doing a Quanda video soon to answer all your solar-related queries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Catch you in the next video.